Hello everyone, today we will be changing the engine air filter in my 2008 Audi A6. Go ahead and remove the plastic cover. Okay, now we have two Phillips screws here that we need to remove. Now we have two clamps, one right here and one right here by the throttle body. So I'll go ahead and open these. Now I'm going to go ahead and open the air intake pipes. Just one piece. Second piece. So now in order to take this pipe out, there's a clamp here and then one at the bottom. I'm going to pry it out with a screwdriver. Using a pick for the bottom one. We have a vacuum line right here. I'll take this off. And now this pipe should come off. There you go. To take the air filter housing out, there are two clips, one right here and one on this side. Unclip this. Okay, this is the filter housing. Now, this right here is a mass airflow sensor, which I'll be cleaning with a sensor cleaner. I'll wash the housing itself. And in order to take the filter out of the housing, there are two Phillips screws that we need to take out. There you go. So I'm using this mass airflow sensor cleaner to clean the mass airflow sensor. Now this is also a good time to clean the throttle body itself if it's dirty. So for the new filter, I'm using Mahali original brand. It comes with filter, two of the gaskets for the top and bottom, and also a lubricant for the gasket. So the small one goes on this side, and the big gasket goes on this side. Now for the barrel seal, we'll apply this lubricant on the gasket. Then I'll put it back in the housing. Make sure it's nice and snug. Then we'll put the two bottom screws. Filter housing back, we need to put these 3 clips into the 3 slots that are there. Now we'll put the 2 clamps that are on each side. Now we'll install the pipe that goes from the throttle body to the air filter housing. There's a vacuum line here. Don't forget this. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the throttle body clamp. Now we'll put this end back. So here we have a big clamp around the pipe, and then as well as 2 of the clips that go on each side. One on top and one on the bottom. So for the last 2 pieces, I'll put them together first. I'll put the one end in the filter housing and then try to put the other one under the trim, and then put the 2 Phillips screws. So using a screwdriver to pry it in. There you go. Two screws on, and now just make sure this hose is right.